Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there's going to be a change coming up in the policy of all or what drivers are going to be installed in Windows. So what happens is that a lot of drivers from the past are actually using a system that is a cross-signed certificate. Basically, some older drivers use which is an outdated system of cross-signed drivers, so that the Windows kernel can actually trust these drivers and say they're fine. And Microsoft wants to improve upon the security of Windows 11. So to do that, these cross-signed drivers need to either be on a approved list or they will not be able to install anymore. They won't work anymore. So what they say is now that this old way of having these drivers has been actually removed in 2021. Microsoft wants to make sure that your system has proper drivers. So it doesn't mean that old devices will stop working. So here's the thing, is now Microsoft will require the drivers to use the Windows hardware compatibility system for hardware, for the drivers for the different parts of your PC. And these are the new ways of having, correctly signed drivers that will be accepted. But what Microsoft will do is it will maintain a list of old cross-signed drivers that are known to be correct and safe. So when you install an older device that doesn't have a driver that is on the latest hardware compatibility, what it will do is look at the list and see if it's a safe driver to install. If it is, it will install the device. So your old devices will continue working even if they don't have the more modern way of being, having the signed drivers. But this, Microsoft says, is important to keep security in Windows 11. So this will start soon to be applied to Windows 11 24H2, 25H2, and 26H1 and 26H2. And it will be on server 2025. So if you have old devices, I don't think you have to worry about. They will probably still be maintained. Microsoft does say, don't worry about your old devices. It's probably going to be fine. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.